Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, look how funny this is for this. Look at her, she's an FBI agent. Maya, who's out there? Who's out there? She's gonna get him. She's the neighborhood watchdog. So for today's channel, or for today's video, we are going to organize the fridge. The fridge is out of control, like so embarrassing. So let's go. This is embarrassing. So this is bad. I don't think I've ever let the fridge get this bad, but due to quarantine and everybody freaking out, and also you'll see I have a lot of coffee going on. My Keurig broke, so this is what I'm dealing with right now.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls get video in Paris. Make some times we'll cherish.
Okay guys, so I am actually going to chunk this project. I am going to start with the shelves. My dog. Okay, so I am going to start with the shelves, clean everything, and go through my food and see what's expired and condense. Okay, now guys, I was able to grab these bins, all three of these. So here's one, here's two, here's three. Now, believe it or not, I actually grabbed these from Ross. In the back of Ross, these bins cost, you're gonna die, $3.99. This bin, it says that it is a closet storage bin. This was also $3.99. So in the back of Ross, in the back of Marshall's, for these bins specifically, I always go to Ross. If you go to like the food section, I would link it. I can link Ross below, but they have all different kinds of storage bins. So this is definitely a go-to. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now is I am actually condensing all my fruit into these cute little containers that I actually grabbed from the back of TJ Maxx. I am such a fan of Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshall's and of course Home Goods. Now, one thing I've learned is that in order to actually eat your fruit and vegetables, you have to make them look pretty. So stick them in small containers, small clear containers so you can see them when you're opening your fridge. Now that I'm done cleaning all of my products and items off of the shelves, I'm going to start taking everything out of the bins and cleaning the bins. Like I said, I like to chunk my projects, that way it doesn't become too overwhelming. What I'm going to do now is take everything out of the bins, I'm going to clean the bins, and I'm also going to throw away any expired food. doing here is kind of like what I said before. When you condense your fruit, you definitely want to condense your vegetables. I don't know about you guys, but my spinach and my carrots literally stay on the bottom bin until they rot and I throw them away. So I am actually going to make them accessible, visible, and cute, clear containers. That will definitely also help me to eat these items. So now that our shelves are done and our bins are done, I want to definitely focus on the door of the fridge. This is where most of my items are expired, not gonna lie. I will probably be getting rid of half the stuff on the side of my shelf. Like I said before, I'm gonna clean, condense, make sure everything that's expired goes where it belongs, in the trash.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're